All right, folks, coming back at you here today. Let me give you a little bit of a rundown of what's been going on. Me and Scotty had this really nice encounter last week. We got a little bit of an idea, layout of the area. We've been hitting the maps real hard this week, coming up with a plan. We got some vacation coming up here at the end of October. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to hike these tree stands, back down in here, slip in here, find a little bit more buck sign. Hopefully we got some trail cam pics, but do our best to slip in and slip out, leave these stands here for some later in October. We're going to be coming back down here in the morning because I think it's going to be more of a morning spot. But anyway, just wanted to give you a little bit of update of what's going on, so stay tuned with us. All right, folks, coming back at you here this evening. So we were getting set up for these later hunts and came in here and was doing some scouting. Picked a couple trees. It looks really good. We just are still kind of hunting blind though. So we weren't even planning on hunting tonight here. But it took us a little bit longer, and so we decided to just kind of hang around here and see what happens. But I'm a little bit higher up on the hill. There's this nice white oak, and I got a few nice shooting lanes. It's pretty clear I'm kind of exposed, but if I see anything come through here, they should be in range. Scotty's down at the bottom at our tree we had picked out before, kind of gotten narrowed in on. So he's in stand 1, I'm in stand 2. So if anything comes out of the bottom, it'll go past him and come up my way up this point. Anything that gets past me, coming from the top past this white oak down the rest of the point, will go right to him. So we're not that far off. I'm just a little bit further at the top of the hill where it starts to get more steep. So anyway, we're gonna see what happens. So thanks for sticking in with us. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to the YouTube channel. Like I said, we're trying to get set up for these later October hunts. So it looks real good in here. It's not 100% perfect, but we got a nice little setup. So we're gonna cross our fingers here tonight and really just kind of hoping we get something else to go on, maybe a little bit of pattern happen. And so nothing on trail cam yet. So as the evening progresses, we'll have some deer movement coming through. So he's doing. At 6:25. I'll just hit lightly on the ground call. Still a little bit early in the season, but just hit it a couple times and see what happens. See if that can draw any deer over in our area. So far nothing. We'll see. All right, folks. Well, unfortunately, we had no deer come in this evening. However, we did accomplish our goal of getting those tree stands set up, ready for these later October hunts we got going on. My spot was a little thick, but I was overlooking this really nice white oak tree.
Scotty, you were down at the bottom. How did it look on down in the bottom?
Got some white oaks down there. Got there's a creek. It's a dry creek, but there is a little spot that's holding water. So I think, and there's a little trail by it. So I thinking that the deer are coming down there to get a little drink of water. All in all, I'm excited about it. Happy about it.
Well, definitely moving the pieces around the board a little bit. This opens up us some AM hunts for a little bit later this fall. I think we probably need a couple more of these locations. So we got a lot more scouting, a lot more work to do. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.